Up XEM holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. My friends, this is the emergency update of XEM. Keep watch this video till the end because this video will be very urgent, very important for all XEM holders, my friends. In this video, first of all, we discuss the latest price update of the XEM, and after that we discuss that what will be the next move of XEM, what will be the next target of XEM in the future. So keep watch, and please I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel and also like this video, my friends. So my friends, the latest price of the XEM at this time in the market is 0.171551 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the XEM in the market. And my friends, on the other side, if we talk about the price changes occur in the XEM, so the price change at this time is going very good and very better, my friends. At this time, XEM is the fastest cryptocurrencies in the market. That the last 1 hour pricing is positive 2.21%. 2% the price is going positive in the last only 60 minutes, my friends. So that's a big achievement of XEM, my friends. And the last 1 day pricing is also positive. That's another good news for all XEM holders. And only the last 1 week price change is negative, except of the last 1 week price, the whole change is the last 1 day, last 1 hour, and the currently change is positive, my friends. My friends, with the passage of time, the last 1 week price change will be become positive, my friends. Let's see the price chart for more details and for better understanding. My friends, from the price chart of the XEM, now that is clear. Everyone can understand that what will coming soon next in the XEM, my friends. That is the last 3 days price chart of the XEM, and if we look the price change occur in the last 3 days, so the price change is negative 8.37%, but my friends, they start jumping from the last 1 day, my friends, from the last 24 hours yesterday, and you can see here the jump tell us that they take a quick jump, my friends. You can see the chart tell us that they take a quick jump, and they have idea plan to take a jump in the future quick. So that is why we have to hold, and you can see here that the last 3 days pricing is negative, so that's clear that the previous last 1 month, last 1 week pricing is also negative, so you have to hold, my friends. For instance, if you decide to sell at this time the XEM coin, so you are in the loss, and if you decide to hold XEM at this time, so absolutely there is a chance that you will get a good amount of profit from the XEM, my friends. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, and my prediction is 100% positive. Thank you so much for watching this video.